Guys, so I had time to talk a bit about Twitter because I wanted to add to sort of what I was discussing with Tesla earlier.
Lawrence is 77. The crop lives. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
No, don't be sorry. Because, we're getting closer, of course, to the close of the Twitter transaction. And I have been told by any number of people lately that there is a furious effort underway to raise more equity for this deal. This is in addition to the $7 billion that has already been circled by Elon Musk, remember, with the investor base that he talked about, that we know about. This is in addition to Mr. Musk's contribution. There are emails going out to capital sources from all sorts of different institutions saying, you want in? You want in? You want in? $100 million bucks. Can you do $100 million? Can I interest you in more? Maybe a little more. Here's some of the writing that we're seeing right now.
This is very interesting, Dave.
First of all, we've received communication from the bankers. The closing will be on October 28th, so that's exciting, isn't it? We would like to affirm this transaction is for people who want to back Elon and believe in his vision and operational superiority. The transaction will include a substantial pivot on strategy to transform itself into a super app under the moniker X Corp. And that bears a substantial risk. It is not valued in a conventional way, as is the case with Tesla and SpaceX. But a number of these firms that are out there...
Are people buying this rap?
I don't know if they're buying it, but this is part of what's going on right now, trying to gather up as many equity commitments as they can from well-heeled investors saying, come on with Elon. And by the way, there is also something else here, which is, hey, don't forget SpaceX. Maybe you want to get in on that too at some point. And mentions, of course, of SpaceX in terms of the valuation at one point in the early going and what it is now, what Tesla was, as we talked about earlier. But
I'm a believer
there is a lot of
many
furious
ways to make Twitter better.
Equity fundraising going on right now. I've heard this from any number of different people who've been approached. So they're out there. Maybe that will preclude Mr. Musk from selling more Tesla stock. I don't know.
Because we don't want this to be a pump and dump. There's going to be a $5 to $10 billion buyback maybe, and we're as big as Saudi Arabia. I don't even want to say it because it's so ridiculous. But this is very good. I continue to believe that there are ideas for Twitter that we have no idea what Twitter's going to really look like, but it's going to be better than today.
It's going to be a super app under the moniker X.
Well, it's not going to be the Gowanus Canal anymore.
It's going to transform
itself. I swim the Gowanus every day. It's very irritating.
Into a super app under the moniker X Corp.